Hey there, YouTube. I thought I'd just do a little review of this new product I just got. It's the Rhino label maker. It's for wire and cable label. So first thing you see, pop out of the package. Yes, I do have 3 of them. Don't ask why. Pop it out of the package, you get this little thing right here. There's no instructions on how to get it in, so you just kind of have to put it in and assume that you're doing it right. I spent a good hour and a half, maybe a half hour trying to get it in. Apparently there's a sharp blade inside. Didn't know that. You just place it in like that, and then you give it a little close. Put it up there. Then you just got your labels. They're going through the front, and you just click it to cut them off. You got your little retractable Sharpie that comes with. Look at it, it's retractable. So, say I get my label right here, and I want to write a smiley face. Draw a little smiley face right there. Yeah, it's not too smiley. Then you push it through, and you cut. Like that. You just peel it off. After much debate, you peel it off, and then hey, I have a smiley face on my chin. So, yeah, these things apparently sell for $20. I don't know. I got them for free. They feel high quality, like you would take them on a work job. I can't see me having many uses for them, but they're there. It took me a lot of tries to get the thing working. I ended up using all these. Yeah, it's Rhino 101 label maker by Dymo. Could also kind of be a ship, if you look at it like that, like a spaceship flying through the air. Yeah. Crazy hair. I guess that's about it. Rhino label maker.